Soldiers, what's the best example of military dark humor you've experienced? During our second deployment in Afghanistan, we had this staff sergeant who'd been in for way too long. He was one of those guys who'd seen everything, and nothing fazed him anymore. His way of dealing with stress was making the darkest jokes at the worst possible times. One night, we're getting ready to go out on a convoy, and intel comes in about potential IED threats on our route. Everyone's on edge. We're double-checking gear, making last-minute adjustments, and the tension is thick. That's when Staff Sergeant walks in, holding a fake Purple Heart patch he'd made out of duct tape. He slaps it on his chest and says, "All right, boys, who's trying to get one of these bad boys tonight?" We stared at him, half horrified, half trying not to laugh. One of the new guys finally speaks up. "Sergeant, that's messed up." Without missing a beat, Staff Sergeant points at his own real Purple Heart on his uniform and says, "What do you mean? I already got mine. It's like a punch card. 3 more, and I get a free parking spot at the VA." One of the guys who's usually quiet starts laughing so hard he can't breathe, and the whole room loses it. It was so wrong, but somehow exactly what we needed. Later that night, we actually did hit an IED, but it was small, and nobody got hurt. When we got back, Staff Sergeant looks at us and says, "Well, guess I'll have to buy the next one." The next day, someone taped a fake punch card to his door with 5 Purple Hearts drawn on it. He kept it for the rest of the deployment.